In AMS Tech Video 9 we introduced video verification in BVMS. In this video we will use Milestone XProtect to do the same. If AMS and Milestone run on different computers, we must assure that they trust each other. Therefore we will install the AMS certificate on the Milestone PC. The AMS certificate can be found in the folder C. Program Files x86. Bosch Siegerites System. Access Management System. Certificates. From there we pick up the Bosch Security System internal CA for BIS and AMS. And bring it to the Milestone PC. To install it in the certificate store, the certificate import wizard should store it in the local machine part of the store. And then in the folder Trusted Root Certificates. Now the PCs trust each other and can communicate. The AMS plugin running on the Milestone PC needs to run with an user account with extended rights. Let's create that. To start, in the personnel data, last name and person class are mandatory. The user rights for this account need to be extended. Therefore we assign the administrator profile to this user. We then give the user a login name and password. And finally this user also gets unlimited API access. So far the AMS part of the configuration. The plugin should be installed on the Milestone PC. The version of the plugin should match with the version of AMS. So find it in the downloaded install folder under Server, Plugin. Start the setup. And await confirmation of the completed installation and click Finish. Now restart the Windows Service Milestone XProtect event server. So Milestone will be able to find the new installed plugin. Now that the plugin is installed, we can start making XProtect ready to become a verification client. For video verification we need a camera. The camera footage will be recorded in XProtect. So we will start with recording servers. And add the camera there. The only available recording server is the current PC. So we right-click there and select Add Hardware. You can scan the network. But if you know the address, the option manual will be quicker. Milestone likes to know the account names and passwords to get access to the cameras. We type the IP address and select port 443 for secure communication. The camera is found in Milestone. We'll add it to the configuration and show the camera's image. Now we can fine-tune the camera by changing the defaults. For example, the streams it will use. Normally Bosch cameras come with 2 streams with different resolution and bandwidth. We can also modify the recording settings. Increasing the frame rate improves quality but uses more bandwidth and storage. Choose the ideal balance between these parameters. Bosch cameras have the ability to start alarm recording in memory and keep it there for 10 seconds before transferring it to the disk. By default, recording will be saved on the local hard drive. If you want, you can change the drive and the folder. Now that the recording and camera options are set, we can add the plugin to Milestone configuration. Therefore we go to Access Control and create a new connection. We can add a name and select the proper plugin. The AMS API Discovery endpoint is the actual AMS system. Here we created the backend user Milestone with extended rights and unlimited API access. The Access Control System configuration wizard will add all detected AMS devices. It depends on the license how many doors we can select for video verification. We only need 1 door and we only have 1 camera. It is the main door and the reader is named outside in. Here the video verification should take place. So we drag the camera to that access point. We save the configuration. We will allow all available access control events to be seen in the event view of the XProtect client. For now we do not feel the need to add any additional request notifications. We look up Leo van Druten. He will be the person that will be asked to test the application hereafter. So far so good. Let's test the client application and the video verification notification. This is the reception PC, where the map view is running and the swipe ticker activated to show the incoming door events. We detach the swipe ticker from the map view and make it float on the screen. And now we start the XProtect Smart Client. There we open the access control page and see the recent AMS events listed there. We ask Leo van Druten to present his badge to the reader in front of the door. As soon as he does, the notification window pops up and shows the current video footage. And also the AMS map data, including Leo's photo from AMS. If the person on the video and the photo match, we can conclude that this is the rightful card owner. So we let him in. This concludes this AMS how-to video. We learned how to configure and use AMS and Milestone XProtect to perform video verification at the door.